In this video, I will be showing you how to create a mug mockup in Canva. Let's get started. First, I'll click on Custom Size and choose a recent layout to open my blank canvas. Next, I head over to the Elements tab on the left and scroll down to the Mockups category, then click See All. I'll scroll through the categories until I find Home and Living. Then I'll select a white mug mockup. I'll drag the corners to resize the image so it fills the entire canvas. Now, I'll add a second page and go back to mockups to choose a different style, like this mug in a gift box, and resize it as well. I'll repeat this for a third and fourth page, selecting mockups that show a person holding a mug and a simple tilted mug on a wooden surface. Once my templates are ready, I'll go back to Elements and search for motivational quotes. I'll browse through the graphics and photos to find designs that would look great on a mug. To apply a design, I just click on a quote and drag it directly onto the mug in the mockup. I'll do the same for the other pages, dragging and dropping different quotes like "Focus on the good" and "Make today great" onto each mug. You can easily swap designs by dragging a new one over the mockup until it snaps into place. I'll finish up by adding "Believe in yourself" and "Turn your dream into a plan" to my remaining pages. Finally, I'll place this "Be Brave" design on the last mockup. When everything looks perfect, I'll click Share, select Download, and save all my new mockups as high-quality PNG images.